Welcome back, everybody, to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. If you are new here, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, because today we're diving into something epic. 50 frugal tips to save you some money. Whether you're trying to pay off your debt, build an emergency fund, or you just want to stretch your paycheck just a little bit further, this video is going to be your ultimate guide to living smarter, spending less, and saving more. I've packed this list with practical, creative, and downright genius ideas that you can start using today. Now, this one may be a little long, so grab a notebook, a cup of coffee, or hey, maybe even some water just to keep it frugal, and let's get started. Oh, and stick around, guys, to the very end because I've got a bonus tip that could change the way you look at money forever. Plus, if you love this, drop a like. It really does help the channel grow. Are you ready? Let's jump into number one. The number one tip is embrace the 30-day rule. Now, impulse buys are the enemy of saving, but here's a game changer for the rest of your life, and it's called the 30-day rule. If you see something that you actually want, like the shiny gadget or the cute sweater, you do not buy it right away. Instead, you write it down and you must wait 30 days. And if you still want it, then consider it. Most of the time, you'll forget it even existed. And this tip alone could actually save you hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Are you ready for tip 2? Okay, no need to wait. Go ahead and jot this down. Tip number 2, cook in bulk. Why cook every night when you can actually batch cook like a pro? What you do, you pick one day a week. You make a big pot of chili, soup, or pasta, and you portion it out. You'll save on groceries, you'll save on time, and on energy bills. Bonus point. If you use cheap staples like rice, beans, and potatoes, you'll save even more. Okay, who's ready for tip number 3? You want to write this down. Ditch the paper towels. See, paper towels seem cheap, but they actually add up. If you switch to reusable rags, old t-shirts, by the way, work great, wash them, reuse them, and watch that. Because what happens is you'll save at least $50 a year, if not more, on paper towels. Because the paper towel habit that you have right now that is sucking your money away will disappear. So just go ahead, get you some old wash rags or some new ones. Walmart has great ones. I think they're mainstay. They're like, I don't know, 12 wash rags for like $5. TJ Maxx has some good ones. Get you some and reuse those. Separate them just for your cleaning rags and ditch the paper towels. Now, who is ready for tip number 4? Okay, let's dive into it.